In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is the mapping W is equal to G square plus 1 is conformable at solution theorem, that is if f is an analytic function in a domain D containing Z0 and if f prime of Z0 does not equal to 0, then W is equal to f of Z is a conformal mapping at Z0. W prime into plus minus iota is equal to plus minus 2 iota does not equal to 0. Thus the mapping W is equal to Z square plus 1 is conformable at Z is equal to plus minus 1. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.